ఈ వీడియోలో రేడియన్ సిస్టమ్ నుంచొని సెగ్జాసిమల్ సిస్టంలోకి యాంగిల్స్ని కన్వర్షన్ చేసే మెథడ్ చూద్దాం. pi by 24 radians in degrees, minutes and seconds. How can you change that pi by 24 radians into a degrees? First one is degrees, second one is minutes and seconds. You convert like that. So what is the method is there? We try to do it. So what is a given angle? Given angle is pi by 24. Pi by 24 radians. This radians we convert into a degrees. Sexagesimal system means degrees. We have to convert those are into a degrees. Here pi is there. We can follow two methods. One is pi value is how much in degrees? 180. Pi is equals to what we write? Pi is equals to 180 degrees. In radians we substitute in the place of pi 180 degrees. That is one system. Now what we write, that is pi means 180 degrees by 24. Totally if you simplify this, then it is converted into a degree sexagesimal system. Now cancellation possibilities are there. Do the cancellation. How many times? So with the 12 it is possible. 12 ones are 12. Now 18 minus 12 means 6, 60. 12 5s 60 and 12 2s 24. Now that is 15 by 2 degrees. That 15 divided with the 2. 15 divided by 2, what you will get? 2 7s 14. Now 1 is remainder. We write like this, that is 7.5 degrees. 7 plus half degree. Why we write half degree separately means half degree is converted into a minutes. Here 1 minute is equals to 1 degree is equals to how many seconds, how many minutes? 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Now we write half degree means how many minutes? Half into 60 minutes. 7 plus half into 60 minutes. Totally that is converted as a minutes. 2 ones, 2 30s. Now what is an angle? That angle is 7 degrees. 7 degrees plus half degree. Half degree means what? 30 minutes. That we write 7 degrees 30 minutes. Now what is the right option? First A option is correct answer. And second problem, minus 2 radians convert into a degrees, minutes and seconds. Given one what here? Radians or minus 2 radians. What are the radians? Minus 2 radians. Minus 2 radians. That I write like this, minus of 2 radians. 1 radian is equals to how many degrees? 180 by 5 degrees. 1 radian is equals to, what is that? 180 by 5 degrees. 1 radian is equals to 180 by 5 degrees. So we multiply this 180 by pi degrees to a 2 radians minus 2 radians is equals to minus of 2 into 180 by pi degrees. Okay, what is the pi value here? Pi value is 22 by 7. We write a pi value is a 22 by 7. That is equals to minus of 2 into 180 by pi means 22 by 7. Now this value we write like this, minus of 2 into 180, that is this fraction is goes to numerator, that fraction is reverse 7 by 22. Now any cancellation possibilities are there? Do the cancellation. Is there 2 90s and 2 11s. Now that is 90 into 7, 630. 90 into 7 is how much? 630. 630 multiplied by 2. How much that is? 0, 6, 1260. That is 1260. This is equals to what we write? Minus of 1260 by 11. This 1260 divided with the 11. First of all, we divide the 1260 with 11. How many times? 11 ones, 11, 1 remainder, 16, 11 ones, 11, 5 remainder. Now 1 take 50, 11 fours, 44, 6 remain. Now what we write, this is 114 degrees, that is equals to minus of 114 degrees plus what is there? 6 is as a remainder, that we write as 6 by 11 degrees. Now this degrees we convert into a minutes. Degrees convert into a minutes. So 1 degree is equals to how many minutes? 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So that 6 by 11 degrees multiplied by 60 minutes. Then what is that? Minus of 114 degrees plus 6 by 11 into 60 minutes. Totally this is in the form of minutes. Now what is that? That is equals to minus of 114 degrees plus what is that? 360 minutes. 360 by 11 minutes. Now this 360 is divided by 11. Here 360 divided by 11. 11 threes 33, 3 remainder and 30. 11 twos 22, Now 8 remainder. Now what we write, that is in that minutes, 32 complete minutes are there, 114 degrees plus how many minutes, 32 complete minutes are there, 32 minutes, and plus what is the remainder we got here, 8. 8 by 11 second minutes is there. 8 by 11 minutes remains there. Next what we do, 8 by 11 minutes convert into a seconds. So 8 by 11 means 1 minute equal to how many seconds, 60. Then what we write, that is equals to minus of 114 degrees plus 32 seconds minutes plus 8 by 11 into 60 seconds. So now 8 by 11 60 seconds, what do you write? So that is 8 by 60. What do we write? That is equals to minus of 114 degrees plus 32 minutes plus 8 into 60 is there. 480. 480 by 11 seconds. Now this 480 is divided by 11. 11 fours 44. What is the remainder? 4 remainder. Okay, next 40. 11 3s 33. Now what is the remainder? 7. Now here 0 is over. Now point, put a point, because of last one is only seconds are there. 0, how many times? 11 6 are 66. What is the remainder? 4. Now if you take a 0 and 11 3s 33, what is that? 7 is remainder. So now 43.63 is there. 43.63. How much seconds are there? Now what do you write? This is minus of 114 degrees plus 32 minutes plus 43.63 seconds. This is the minutes and seconds, degrees and minutes. Finally what we write, that is minus 114 degrees 32 seconds and 43.63. just we write 6 is enough. 6 seconds, because of 3 is less than 5, so that's why we will take like that. Now which option is correct here? (114 degrees 32 minutes 43.6 seconds). Option A is correct. Here what we notice, so that fraction is there, pi place we write 22 by 7, and cancellation is there, do it afterwards, and each and every step we divide it, that remainder by, here 6 we got a remainder here divisor is what? 11. 6 by 11. So after degrees what we have? Minutes. 1 minute equal to how many? As 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? Now 60 minutes. So that 60 multiplied to the 6 by 11. Then we convert into those are minutes. Now what is that? 360 by 11. Then divide it. How many seconds, complete seconds are there? 32 seconds. Then afterwards what is the remainder we have here? 8. 8 by divisor is 11. Again here minutes are there. These minutes are converted into seconds. 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. This 8 by 11 multiply with the 60. 8 into 60 is what? 480. Again that 480 divided with the 11. 480 divided with the 11. Then what we got? 43.63. Here we did not take a reminder. Why means this is the last partition. So because of that, that is 43.63 seconds. Then 3 is a very small value. That's why we ignore this 3. We adjust that decimal point up to single digit only. Then 114 degrees 32 minutes 43.6 seconds is the answer of that. Next problem. 8 radians in degrees and minutes. 8 radians we convert into degrees, minutes and seconds. Now, what is the given angle is that 8 radians. That is what? 8 radians. So, radians are converted into a degrees means hexadecimal system means, so what is the ratio we have to multiply? 8 radians is equals to 8 multiplied by 180 by pi degrees. Now pi value is what? 22 by 7. That is equals to 8 into what we write? 180 by 22 by 7 degrees. Now what we write? That is 8 into 180 into 7 by 22. Cancellation possibilities are there, 2 90s and 2 11s. 90 into 7. What is that? 630. 630 multiplied by 8. What do you get? 0, 24 and 40. 8 plus 2, 50. 5040. That degrees, how much we got it? Numerator is 5040 by 11 degrees. Now here we follow what that division process. In a division what we do? 5040 divided by 11. 5040 divided by 11. Each stage we write the fraction. 11 fours 44. What is the remainder? 6. Now 4 take a, and how many times? 11 5s 55. What is the remainder? 9. 90. 11 8s 88. What is the remainder? 2. Then what we write? That is 458 degrees. Now that is equals to what we write? 458 complete degrees are there, plus what is the fraction is there? 2 by 11 degrees are there. So here this 2 by 11 is not a complete degree. Then we convert into a minutes. Then minutes means we have multiplied 60 here. 458 degrees plus 2 into 60 by 11. These are now minutes. 2 into 60 what? 120. 120 divided by 11. 11 ones 11. What is the remainder? 1. Here 11 ones 11, then afterwards what is that? 11 tens, zeros, 11 zeros, 0, and what is the remainder is there? 10 is remainder. Then what we write? This is 10 minutes. 458 degrees plus 10 minutes, and plus what is the remainder is there? 10. 10 by 11 minutes is there. These minutes are converted into a seconds, means this is multiplied by 60. Then what we write? That is 458 degrees plus 10 minutes plus, that is, these are seconds, 660 by 10. Sorry, 600 and your reminder is 10 is that 10 by 11. Sorry, this is 10 by 11. 10 by 11. This is 11. This is 600. 600 by 11. This 11, 600 divided with 11. 11 5s 55. Remainder is 5. Again 0. Next 11 4s 44. What is that? 6. Here 6 0 we take point. 11 5s 55. 11 5s what? 55. Then again 5 is there. Again 5 is there. Then we write this is convert into 55 degrees. Then what we write? 458 degrees plus 10 minutes. This what we write? Plus 5 is going on. This correct to 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Then that angle is 458 degrees 10 minutes. This is minutes, not seconds. This is 10 minutes and 55. This is seconds. Now what is the right answer? 458 degrees 10 minutes 55 seconds. Which option is correct? First option is correct. So like this, radians we convert into a sexagesimal system. Each and every stage we write the fractions, and that degrees convert into a minutes 60 multiply. Again fraction is there, remainder is there, then that fraction multiplied by 60 seconds up to end of this one you do the division, and in case of seconds just we write the decimal places also. Is there possibilities are there? Correct it decimals up to 1 digit decimal place, or otherwise correct the integer part in a nearest complete number. So like this we convert the radians into a sexagesimal system in degrees. సో ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.